Imagine a never-ending cycle of rocks. Rocks transform from one type to another, and that cycle is called the rock cycle. And those rocks get broken down into tinier and tinier and tinier pieces, and that cycle is called soil formation. Today I'm Evelyn and I'm here to talk about the rock cycle and soil formation. Let's get started. So to start off, the rock cycle is the cycle where the rocks transform from one type to another. There are three main rock types. There's igneous, there's sedimentary, there's metamorphic. Those three rocks transform from one type to another. For example, igneous rocks turn into sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks turn into metamorphic rocks. And here are some examples of the three main types of rocks. To start off with sedimentary, we've got limestone and sandstone. We've got shale. We have also got gneiss. Actually, no, not gneiss. Gneiss is metamorphic. We've got coal, but I don't have coal, so yeah. Also, so for metamorphic, we got gneiss. We've got the beloved marble. We have quartzite. We've also got green serpentine. Reminds me of a snake. And for our igneous, we've got pumice, one of the lightest rocks. We've got gabbro or something. We've got white granite. Whoops. And we've got pink granite. And now that we know about the different types of rocks, now we're going to learn how rocks and soil, so basically the rock cycle and the soil formation, how they're related. I never knew they were related until now. So how they're related are that rocks, when they turn into tinier and tinier and tinier pieces, they form soil. Different types of rocks turn into different types of soil. So igneous rocks turn into sandy soil. Fun fact, sand and dirt are not the same as soil. And sedimentary rocks turn into clay soil, and metamorphic rocks turn into loamy soil. By the way, loamy soil is great for agriculture. Farmers love it, plants love it, basically everyone loves it. So yeah, it's full of nutrients and minerals, and it's so good, not for eating. And so now we're gonna talk about the rock cycle. Well, we'd already been talking about it. Now we're gonna talk about the steps of the rock cycle. And I've got a paper here that explains all about it. So let's see. First, we've got magma, aka lava, once it comes out of the volcano, as we can see right there. And that turns, with cooling, it turns into igneous rocks. Example, basalt and granite. And with weathering and erosion, it turns into sediments. Sound familiar? We'll see. AKA sand and gravel. Kind of reminds me of sedimentary rocks. We'll see. And with decomposition, compactation, and cementation, it comes to sedimentary rocks. Now we know where it comes from. So, some examples of sedimentary rocks are, as we can see, sandstone and limestone. And with heat and pressure, those sedimentary rocks turn into metamorphic rocks, which include our beloved quartzite and marble. And when those metamorphic rocks melt, they get back to magma, and the cycle goes over and over and over again until you live. And you die, and it goes longer and longer. So, yep. So that's all we have for today. Keep learning. I'm Evelyn, and I'll see you next time. Later.